Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Affan. I am studying LKG. My school name is Iqra. The school I am to Allah created the name. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akhra Taznain. I am studying in LKG. Akhra the school. I am a 3. Drink water 3 feet. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lubna. I am studying in LKG. My school name is Iqra School. I am 4. Allah has sent 4 books through His Prophet. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miha Sadia. I am studying LKG Ikhya School. I am A5. We pray 5 times in a day. Assalamualaikum. My name is Affan. I am studying LKG. Iqra School. Today I will teach Allah created this world is that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izan. I am studying LKG. Iqra School. I am a 7. Allah may 7 skies. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saksa Quran. I am studying LKG. Iqra School. I am a 10. I am a 8. There are 8 doors in Jannat. Assalamualaikum. My name is Arafat. I am studying LKG. Iqra School. I am in 9. Ramzan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayan. I am studying LKG Iqra School. I am a 10. One good deed has reward of 10 good deeds. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Toyed. I am studying LKG Iqra School. I am the son. I am a natural source of light on the day of judgment. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayat Khan. I'm studying LKG Iqra School. I am a tree. Tree give oxygen, fruits and vegetables. Say tree, save life. Assalamualaikum. My name is Madiha. I am studying LKG Iqra School. I Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afia Anjum. I am studying LKG. My school name is Ekhara Jar School. I am Sam Hindupur. I am moon. Moon is a planet. It look white color.